Today we're going to talk broadly about the Hacker Workspace. So the Hacker Workspace installs automatically as soon as you install the Hacker add-on. And so what the Hacker Workspace is it's kind of an overhaul of the text editor, but also Blender's console and info editors. So you can see here in Blender's default menu selection, pretty much everything having to do with scripting has been overhauled for Hacker and kind of combines everything into a single unified workspace. So by default, we have the Python console displayed down here. And if you'll notice this little button next to the autocomplete button here, what this does is it automatically fills in text as you type. So if I were to type B, it pretty much fires the autocomplete with every key you press. And this can be really useful when both in trying to learn about new things and find something quickly. We can, of course, click our Quick Expand button, which pushes this up really high for when we want to avoid, when we want to shave off maybe 2, maybe sometimes 3 seconds of pulling this up. Really, the time lost when moving this thing up is not the time that it takes to push it up. It's really more about the time it takes to get it centered back to where you want it, I would say. And there you lose an extra second. And why lose an extra second? But anyway, this is useful when you want to do this or fire some code off in the Python console. And then we can press this and go back to exactly how we left it. So that's what's cool about this quick expand feature here, is it remembers both the height at which you set it and the, I guess I didn't say that right. It remembers the value for where you want it up high, and it remembers the value for where you want it low. So for instance, while it's set down low, we could pull it like this. And if we wanted just more room for coding, we could have it. And then whenever we wanted to access either the Python console or info editors, we can just quickly press that and we're good to go. So the way that Hacker uses the info editor is it combines the Python console and info editor into a single thing. To toggle between the info editor and Python console, we just press this button here. And depending on what you're needing, I guess this would make more sense if we had already done a lot of things in 3D view and we're looking for something. Most of the buttons here work together. So for instance, if we have something here selected, I can press the insert button to insert that. Likewise, I could, if I wanted to insert whatever's in the Python console, and then I can clear the line here, and I can clear the info editor here. I actually set the Python console clear button to only clear the line because I find typically that's usually what I need. I don't need to clear the entire Python console. If you want to do that, you can just come up here and press clear all. This also simultaneously will, as you can see, the system console has also been cleared. So if we were to print, hello. Oh, that's not going to fire from the console. Okay, let's do it up here. Print. Hey, right click, run script. Same as pressing run script here. We have that. We can press this to clear this no matter how messy this gets. So that's pretty much it. I more or less have a video covering more specific features in each editor. This is just more kind of a quick, broad overview of the Hacker Workspace in general. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.